so clean. It never touched the machine.
Can you see the weld? It's virtually invisible. Robotic buffing for uniform finish.
Check alignment on the northeast panel.
Tolerance is good. Proceeding with the lock sequence. Alignment verification confirmed on the rear quarter.
PIS score generated. We have a confirmed pass on the chassis.
AGV sequence complete, initiating final placement.
We have green across all verification points.
A truck without a steering shaft? It's purely by-wire for ultimate response. Next, rear axle steering integration.
The nitrogen is crucial here. It ensures consistent performance regardless of the external temperature. Now we pressurize the system.
To help technicians distinguish 48 volt from high voltage orange. Small battery, big power, delivering more energy than a standard car battery in half the size. The sudden bath locks in the strength, preparing the casting for the extreme demands of the Cybertruck's 11,000-pound towing capacity.
Why not just a saw? Lasers are accurate to within microns, drilling and tapping for police gear.
to transform the steel's molecular structure for ballistic-grade protection.
A car without a frame?
The exoskeleton is the frame. Final fusion welding. Can it stop a rock? It's designed to withstand the impact of a baseball at 70 miles per hour.
The harness is ready.
Connected. Stand by for the flash sequence.
Why all at once? To ensure perfectly even pressure across the hub. The 48V auxiliary jump points. The UP.FIT wiring package is integrated into the vehicle's encrypted Etherloop data chain. All systems verified.
Cycle test complete. Seals look good.
Pressure check confirmed. Ready for sign-off.
Calibration sequence initiated. Ensure the bay is clear.
Sensors reading nominal. Engineer. Sequence complete.
Does it handle like a truck? No, it corners like a sports car. Run the side impact sequence again.
Data confirms the 30x steel absorption rate. 5 stars.
Vehicle ID 42 assigned, confirming 80% charge for transport.
Channel 1, confirm jack mode engaged.
Jack mode confirmed. Rear suspension locked.
All right, it's finally here. Check the VIN against the manifest. Already on it. The charge level is holding steady at 980%.
The fit and finish on this armor plating looks solid.
The Oracle interface integrates the drone telemetry right here. Tap this to initiate deployment.
And we can stream the feed directly to dispatch.
System status optimal. Incident command active. Switching from satellite to 5G network. High-speed pursuit data feed available.
Move up. Take cover on the door.
I'm in position. Threat neutralized.
Is the future here? Yes, the world is now safer with the Tesla Cybertruck Police Interceptor.